Let's talk Urdu. It's time to test your Urdu. Let's see how many Urdu words you know. So, are you ready? Let's begin. What do you call a friend in Urdu? Yes, it's dost. Friend is dost. Dost. What do you call an aeroplane in Urdu? Yes, it's jahaz. Aeroplane is jahaz. Jahaz. What do you call a flower in Urdu? Yes, it's pool. Flower is pool. What do you call rain in Urdu? Yes, it's barish. Rain is called barish in Urdu. What do you call water in Urdu? Yes, it's pani. Water is pani. What do you call a cat in Urdu? Yes, it's billy. Cat is billy. Billy. What do you call a cloud in Urdu? Yes, it's badal. Cloud is badal. What do you call the sun in Urdu? Yes, it's suraj. Sun is suraj. Suraj. What do you call a butterfly in Urdu? Yes, it's titli. A butterfly is titli. Titli. And what do you call a car in Urdu? Yes, it's gaadi. Car is gaadi. Gaadi. Well done! You did it! If you want to learn more Urdu words, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's Talk Urdu!